Hey guys, what do you guys want for dinner tonight?
I was thinking maybe a burger and fries would be cool.
How about you, Raekwon?
I like it. It sounds good.
Alright, that's cool.
That's
So
fine.
that's what we're gonna have. Burger and fries, alright.
Hey, Raekwon, come down here so we can get started on your homework. All right, hurry up. This boy, schoolwork, man.
Hey, Dad.
What's up? Come on. All right, so what you got in this class right here?
I got a B. My teacher's being mean.
Well, I'm saying, like, what you need help with?
Well, he's explaining to me that X and Y don't match up together. But I told him no, they do. And then I explained it to him, but he's not answering me. He's like, I don't think he's professional.
That's not him, son. That's you. You didn't take these two variables and you multiplied the variables when you wasn't. You was just supposed to switch this one over to that.
Oh,
So, well,
can you show me how to do it?
you take x equals 14, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then you got y equals 14. You take this variable, and then what do you get from there? Use your brain.
Is it negative 14?
Yeah.
Yes.
See, that's all you gotta do. Nah, it's not your teacher. Hey, hon, is dinner almost ready?
Yep!
Okay.
Raekwon, give me some plates.
All right.
I told you about wearing those pants.
You don't like them?
No.
Why?
Dinner's ready. Okay.
So come on, guys, let's say our grace. Bow your heads and pray with me. God is great, God is good. Let's thank for our food in there.
Okay. How was work?
It was pretty good. What about you?
Work was amazing. They let me go home early, so I went, picked up Raekwon from school so he didn't have to take that bus.
Oh yeah, speaking of school, Raekwon, what you getting in that class? How your grades?
Well, they're all good except one class, and you helped me out with it, so it was good.
That's good. You better get that straight with that teacher, boy.
Yeah, I have to.
How's soccer going?
Soccer is good. I'm doing good with soccer.
Have you made any new friends?
I made one new friend, but yeah.
When's your next game?
Next game is on Friday.
Friday.
I hope you guys are there.
Yeah, I'll be there. We'll be there.
Oh, see, I might have to work.
He'll be there.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. Yeah, support my child.
But I thought we agreed that I'd go to work on Friday.
So you're saying you can't make it?
Sorry, son, I can't.
I'm done. I can't eat no more. I mean, I don't know what to do anymore.
Hey, Raekwon, come back to the table, boy.
I don't want to.
Boy, get back to this table now.
No.
Do I gotta take my belt off?
Fine.
What's wrong with you?
You said you weren't gonna make it. I
Okay,
thought you would
told
be
you I
there,
had to
Dad.
work. Sit down.
Sit down. First off, lose the attitude. Lose the attitude.
Sorry.
And listen to your father.
Yes, Dad.
Now, what's wrong, son?
You said you weren't gonna make it to the game.
Look, just because I can't make it this Friday, I told you, I promise you I'll be at your next game.
I was counting on you.
I know that, but things are tough right now, so you just gotta be a little bit patient, son.
Okay, Dad.
So next game,
I guess.
I'll shake
Next
on.
game. Woo! Yeah. All right.
Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome.
Wanna go get some ice cream?
Yeah, Mom.
Let's go. Let's go get
let's
some
go.
ice cream.